Hi, my name is John. Today I will tell you about my family. My name is John. My father's name is Liam. My mother's name is Lily. I have a brother named David. We live in New York. My dad is a doctor. My mom is a teacher, but she takes care of the house very well. My brother is 4 years old and he goes to school. My brother is in kindergarten. I go to school too. I am in grade 4. We love spending time together. My family is very caring. My dad is tall. My mother is very kind. My brother is very funny. We love spending time together. We have a pet cat. Our cat's name is Oreo. We enjoy playing games. On weekends, we go to the park. I play games with my father and brother. My mother loves cooking. She always cooks delicious food for us. We celebrate birthdays together. I celebrate my birthday in March. My date of birth is 17th March. I love to read storybooks. My favorite game is cricket. I love to play cricket with my father and brother. My mother helps me with learning new things. We help each other. I love my family. They love me too. That's my family. Bye.